Everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, we will see how to run the multiple test cases using TestNG. So let's begin. Here we have multiple test cases in this project, test case 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In each class, we have one test case. Right click on package and click on convert to TestNG. Here enter the suite name. For example, you want to run the regression, enter the regression and enter the test name. Test name is automate. Click on finish. In this project, we have total 5 classes. Here total number of classes are 5. Right click on testng.xml and click on testng suite. Here you can view the all test cases have been executed. These test cases execute in this order. First, in testng.xml file, we have test case 1, 5, 2, 3 and 1. Here you can change the order of this test case execution. Enter first test case 1, test case 2, remove this test case 2, 1 and then execute the test case 3, 4 and then 5. Now this test case will execute in this order. First test case 1 will execute, then 2, 3, 4 and last test case 5 will execute. Right click on testng.xml and click on run as testng suite. Here you can view the test execute in this order. Test case 1 first execute, then second test case 2, 3, 4 and then last test case 5 execute. Click on result of running suite. Here you can view the total test cases have been executed in 0.056 millisecond. We have total 5 classes. So total count of class is 5 and in this classes we have total 5 methods. So here we can view 5 method count. All test cases have been passed. So passed count is equal to 5. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to SK World. Hit the bell icon for updates. Have question or topics you want to see? Comments below. Thanks for watching.